Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today we're going to be doing a boot up startup test again. Another one. The first one you've already seen was 18 seconds. So we'll be doing another one now because we've overclocked the RAM to its normal DDR5 spec, which is 5600. It was running at 4800 in the last video. So yeah, let's see how fast this boots up now. See if there's a difference. Okay, get ready. Ready guys. To show you, ready. Okay, hopefully the TV responds quickly. Oh, my bad guys, my bad. Okay, so I was a bit late in stopping that, so I'd call it about 5 seconds. So you can see the big difference now. Yeah, we call it 5 seconds because I was very slow with that, stopping that timing. Yeah, you can also make this even quicker by doing MSI fast boot or something. You can turn it on. So what that will do is it'll turn off the BIOS check-in and checking for USB, mouse, CPU, RAM, all that stuff. You can remove that, so then it'll probably be about 1 second startup. Literally as soon as you turn it on, it's on. Because that is how fast these things are now. So 5 seconds not bad guys, from 18 seconds before. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.